Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm inviting you to come with me to Ikea and see what's new for spring 2023. If you want to see what's new, then come with me. And as soon as we walked in, this new collection caught my eye. It's a collaboration with this brand Marimekko, and I love all the beautiful colors and patterns. I ended up picking up 2 of those pillows you see right here, and I really love the colors of this shopper tote. However, unfortunately, they were all sold out, so I couldn't get my hands on one. I love this color combination of pink, green, and blue. And here you see some bathrobes, some reusable water bottles, and trays. And another collection. I absolutely love the color scheme of this collection as well. It is this periwinkle blue, gold, and gray. I like this diamond pattern, and every single piece in this collection looked so good to me. I was so tempted to pick everything up. Look at these chair cushions and tiny cups. They're so adorable. This was another interesting limited edition collection. Everything is very geometric and Art Deco inspired. I really like this asymmetrical yellow rug, the pastel color palette, and the whole vibe of this collection. Look at this interesting bunny head. Would you put something like this in your apartment or house? It's a no for me because it reminds me of taxidermy, which I'm not a fan of at all. Ooh, look at this pillow. Very interesting design. It's got these ladybugs on it. And on the other side, it's got this tiger with flowers on its head. Very unusual, interesting design. I love the color palette of this bedroom. It gives it a very relaxing feel. Look at these beautiful artificial flowers. And a new red sofa. What do you guys think? I can't imagine having a red sofa for some reason, but I'm sure in some interiors it would look great. How cute is this bunny? And a little baby chick. And another beautiful artificial bouquet. I used to never be a fan of artificial flowers, however, IKEA does a pretty good job with them, and I'm always impressed with their quality. More flowers and beautiful framed artwork. I like the way this kitchen is set up. There's no cabinets, just the shelves. And then you have a separate cabinet on the side. I think I prefer this to the standard hanging cabinets. Here's a new love seat in this dark red color. And a new round coffee table in this dark wood color. What do you guys think? And I'm noticing that a lot of new pieces come in different shades of red, So I'm guessing that IKEA expects red to be the color of 2023, or at least very popular in the upcoming months. Another color I see a lot is this mustardy yellow, so could be another color trend right here. Here we see more of that mustard color in bedding. What do you guys think about this color? Leave me a comment down below. Do you like this color? Or what's your favorite color or color combination in home decor? And more mustard yellow and red. I really feel like they're pushing this color palette this season. Here's a pretty lavender or lilac color, and more yellow. I like the color palette of this new rug. I ended up picking one up. It's pink and yellow, very pretty. This artwork caught my eye, and they do sell these cards separately from the frame. However, they were all sold out at that moment, so hopefully I can find them in the future. Here are some new chairs. Some new outdoor furniture. These hanging lights look fun. Look at all the panda bears, and the storage basket looks nice. Here's a new serving plate in black. And these cute dishes are sold as a set of 2 in 3 different colors. As you can see, there's a pink one, gray, and beige colored one. And they're described as oven/serving dish. I'm not sure what exactly I would use it for, but I just had to pick the pink one up. There's an interesting lamp in the corner. I like the blue color. And here are some more new furniture pieces. They all have that new orange tag. I bought one of these baskets last time I was here at Ikea, and I just love that light blue color. It looks super cute in my kitchen. And now it comes in that new beige color. Here's a new stackable chair in a dark orangey red color. And some more new chairs. And here are some new colorways of the Ikea shopping bag, which concludes my Ikea tour for the day. Stay tuned for the closer look at the pieces I ended up buying. And if you guys were interested in what I ended up getting from Ikea, this is my little haul. So I got these two pillows. I thought the colors were pretty nice, and I love this color combination of blue and orange. And these pillows are a part of the collection by Marimekko for Ikea. This is a design collaboration, and I believe they are a limited edition. And here's the name and the style number. So here you go. And the second item I got is the set by this name. The Ikea tag described it as an oven/serving dish, so I assume it is oven safe. And let's open it together. There you go. It's just a cute little thing. It's pink. I love the color. I think it would look great in my kitchen. Not really sure what this is used for. I'm not much of a cook, but you know, I'll find out. Okay, so this is it, guys. This was my mini haul from Ikea. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye bye.